triangles that you see. So what I'm going to do now is make the hummus. So I have 1 can of the Great Northern beans, 1 can of garbanzo beans that have been drained. I put those in first because you're supposed to, it tells you in the recipe when you're using your, I'm going to turn it right there so you can see it. When you're using your blender, your Deluxe Cooking Blender, you add it according to the instructions that tell you to add it as the ingredients have been listed. So that's what I've done. I've done those 2 things, and now I'm going to do juice half of a lemon. So I am going to put this lemon in my citrus press, and I'm going to just squeeze it through. My hand is big enough for it, and just get it down in there. And I'm just going to do half this. It said a lemon, and I didn't have a lemon, I had a lime, so I'm using the lime. So it's going to taste a little bit different, but I'm doing squeezing half of it in here. And then that's my 3rd ingredient. I think that's enough there. Now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I've got the olive oil, my tablespoon out, and I'm going to put that in. 1, 2. So that's in there. Now I'm going to do my 1 peeled garlic clove, and this is going to, I'm going to use my little tube here, and I'm going to get that peel off. Then I'm going to, on this dry surface, get my sleeve out of the way. Voila, it's completely peeled. So I'm putting that in there, and then a teaspoon of the sesame seeds. And I had my sesame seeds out. Here they are. I couldn't find the ones that I had in my pantry, so I had to go get some new ones. So I'm going to put a teaspoon a tablespoon. So what I'm going to do is get that out and just put these in here and then scrape it. And then a teaspoon of salt. And it's got a teaspoon right there. And so now I'm going to put my lid on my blender. I'm going to twist it around till it's locked. I've got it turned, thought I had it turned on. So now I'm going to turn it to the grind button. Let me bring it over here so you can see where the grind here is grind. And now we're just going to press the start, and it says it's going to go for 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and we'll just see it grinding. I'm going to pause it so you can hear me talk. Now when it starts going up to the side, you're going to use the tool that you put in the top so that it will make sure that you'll get all of the beans down in there. So that's what I'm going to do, sort of like this. I'm going to turn this back on. We're going to finish this up, and I'll come back in.